happened? Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. My name is Sonia for those of you that are new, and today we are doing another collaboration and another transformation. So as you've probably seen from the video, today we are doing Marvel versus DC. So today's video is another collaboration, this time with Shay Bradshaw. So I'll leave her video and her link down below so you know where to find her, and you will be able to see what transformation she's decided to do on her channel. For this video I picked Wonder Woman from the DC franchise and Shay picked someone in the Marvel franchise. So obviously if you want to know who she picked, go and click on her video. I'm sure she's done an amazing job. So as I said, the aim of today's video is to transform me into Wonder Woman. So I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna try and put together a costume that kind of looks similar to what she wears. And yeah, I hope you like it. Just let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed this one and any other transformations that you think I could do. So let's just get into it. Just put my hair up, and for my face I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier primer, the Nude by Nature concealer, the City Radiance by Bourjois foundation, which I'm going to mix with a tiny bit of the Dior Almond foundation as well, because I find that that makes my perfect colour. And then I'm just going to add some Glow to Go by Studio 10. So I'll do my makeup in I can't say that word today. I will do my makeup in time lapse. Yes. So that so that I don't bore you guys with it, but let's just get straight into it. So now I'm going to use the chocolate powder, the Benefit Hoola and the Bourjois to contour and to give my face some shape. I'm using the First Strike collection eyeliner, and I'm afraid I'm gonna have to come close. Actually, I'm just gonna do it here. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Marc Jacobs dark pink under my eye, the corner. There we go. Now I'm going to use a Revolution palette. I have 4 reds. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to go for. I've got this Chanel red. Got this darker red. Got this I'm gonna try this one. So now for the hair, I'm just gonna use this Beach Waves with Definition spray, and it actually does work. So the first thing you want to do is put your head forward and like shake your hair so it's a bit messy anyways. So once you have the messy hair, as messy as you want it, all you have to do is shake this and then kind of spray it. Kind of scrunch it up. So there we go. I think our hair is like big and messy, just how we want it. So now I'm just gonna put this highlighter stick on. By the way, this is a Revlon highlighting stick, Instafix. There we go. And before anyone says anything, I am not a beauty guru. I do not claim to be one. I'm doing this just for fun. So I'm clearly not wearing the right outfit for my makeup, so just give me one moment. There we go, this is more like it. So yeah, the outfit is pretty simple. I'm just wearing some shorts and a red top, but actually there is something missing. Anyways guys, I hope you've enjoyed this transformation. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!